Okay, I'm going to talk to you about Snap-on Smile. Basically, it was invented by an American cosmetic dentist. Cosmetic dentistry is an investment, and it can sometimes be very expensive. So he was kind of coming up with a way where he could deliver cosmetic dentistry at a much lesser cost. And what he came up with was basically a device that clipped over the top. So it basically went over the top of the teeth that you had. And it can be used in all sorts of situations where people might have gaps or wear in their teeth. It could be used in situations where people have ground down their teeth or have missing teeth. So in this case, Mike's actually come to see me. Mike's actually a security guard, and Mike actually won lotto. So he's actually a WA lotto winner. He came to see me because he was on a lot of medication. The medication had caused a lot of dry mouth, and the dry mouth had led to a lot of decay and wearing down of his teeth. So there was a loss of calcium in his system, and his teeth suffered greatly. So when we look at his teeth, you'll actually see that even from this view, where we haven't even looked in his mouth properly, that he's almost got no teeth. They're very, very worn down. If we now go to a close-up view, you can really see what's actually going. He's got very few bottom teeth. He's got 5 front teeth here. He's got 1 bottom tooth on the lower, on his lower right-hand side, and he's got these front teeth. It is very difficult for Mike to actually go out. I mean, to smile, to talk to people. He was very embarrassed about even going out socially, because every time he smiled, people would just look at his mouth. We again went through the process. We designed his smile. We had a chat to him about what the shape and the size of his teeth should be. We had a chat about what the colour of his teeth should actually be. You see from the final photos here that we've actually put the upper and lower in, and you can see now he's basically smiling again. His teeth look very, very natural. There is some drawbacks to it, so you have to remember that when we're doing this case, this is a removable device, so we sometimes look at it as a partial denture or a removable device. So I'd just like to show you what one actually looks like. This is a model of a patient, of course. You can see the gaps in the very short teeth. Case selection is very, very important. It can't be used in all cases. If the cases are selected correctly, then of course the results can be quite amazing. So this is actually the device here. It's basically one piece, and when it goes over the teeth, you can see how it just basically transformed those teeth into a beautiful smile. It's not a long-term sort of solution. It will probably last anywhere up to 3 years, but you can see for a fraction of the cost of normal cosmetic treatment, he's able to get all his teeth back, and we've created a beautiful smile for him.